Hey there, guys. You can see that I'm kind of in a vehicle. Yeah. Brother's new car, just picked up yesterday. It's a Chrysler 300C. I'm not driving. He is. See? Whoop. Yeah. That's him. I gotta put you back where I found you, so it stays. We are listening to some Colt Ford, Chicken the Biscuits, with Copahagion snuff. Gonna try to do this while sitting in the car. I don't know. Did before. Not video. But yeah, here we go. Cracking it. Sticker again. God damn it. Sorry guys, I don't got long nails at the moment. That sticker's a douchebag. There we go. Look at that. Cracked, sealed, delivered, signed, yeah, whatever. Oh, I never did this shit in so long. Wow, that just gave me goosebumps. Go bag stuff. Good shit. That smells amazing. From doing skull like flavors, going back to normal, it's gonna be a big change. I can smell it.
Oh yeah, I smell it now.
So I don't think today's gonna be a big pinch.
It's fine. It's hard to make a big pinch.
Fine cut. It's a little fucking tiny thing, but I never did this in a long time. It's gonna taste pretty weird. I'm gonna do it in the top lip because my bottom lip's kind of on retirement at the moment. So here it goes. Still tastes the same, but holy fuck, if you guys can smell it, damn. But yeah, I'm sorry guys for all this facial expression. It's just a completely different change of taste, and that's not exciting music. I don't know what else to talk about, really. No. And it's November's Day today, November 11th. I thought it was the 5th, I don't know how I'm fucked. But yeah, November 11th, and there's your car. Lots of caddy. I did my 2 minutes of silence today, this morning. He didn't. I don't know what happened to the radio.
I don't know either.
It just blew up. But okay. We're gonna go with this.
Dead spot.
Do your Novemberance. Remembrance. Do it today. Do your 2 minutes. Because this video is going up today, on today, when I get Wi-Fi. Okay? Alright. Yeah, y'all take her easy. And it's Copahagion stuff in that vehicle. Very weird. And y'all have a good one. See ya.